always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, we have done something here over the last several days. Some of us have accumulated upwards of 9 inches since last weekend, so the ground is saturated. It doesn't take long to get some flood advisories, and we have a new one down at Key West. I'll take you there in a second. This is the last of the rainfall across Broward County. Took a while to get rid of this, and this thunderstorms just continue to blossom. And what they also did, look, from mainland Monroe, they traveled along the water here and made it all the way down to Key West, where now they're kind of training over Key West, and that has resulted in a flood advisory from the National Weather Service that goes until 1:15 a.m. for street flooding here with all that heavy rainfall. This will be the last one of the evening here. We had multiple ones throughout the day, but the storms did at least move quickly. They were not, stuck in the same area, particularly towards the end of the day. We did have a couple that weren't moving all that much earlier this afternoon over Doral and over parts of northwest Broward here. Again tomorrow, Weather Prediction Center has put us at this risk of, excessive rainfall. So another day of potential flooding here, and this is what's going on. A frontal boundary until this thing moves, and it won't until Friday and into the weekend. We are stuck south of it. North of it, we got dry air. South of it, we got tropical air. And now we're going to add a disturbance in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. That's going to swing through, and that's also going to just, increase the chances of thunderstorms here. So we'll get hit again tomorrow, and I think on Thursday before we have a little bit less coverage on Friday. But then the low begins to pull up to the north, and that's what's going to drag this front through. It is going to be drier this weekend, fewer storms, not completely, sunny, but we will have at least manageable coverage here, not the deluges we've been dealing with each and every day. Case in point, tomorrow again through the afternoon, you can see, and Rain Tracker does the best it can, but when these thunderstorms get going, these outflow boundaries get going, it is just almost impossible really to predict where they're going to head. So just in general, plan for tropical downpours tomorrow. That's the kind of atmosphere we're in. We'll do that again, by the way, on Thursday and into part of Friday as well. As we check out on the tropics, we have this area of 70% chance development. This will be late weekend into the weekend. It's a tropical wave that's going to be coming off Africa. And this, of course, is Nigel. It hit Category 2 here. That is going to continue to race off to the north and east. It's this area that we'll continue to watch. It's not going to be an issue for us anytime you get something north like this. And really, this is likely going to be more of a hybrid system for the southeastern part of the U.S., the Carolinas, and into the mid-Atlantic with some heavy rainfall. And sometimes these can take on some tropical characteristics. I think for us, in a way, the low is going to, again, drag in that dry air. We're going to be on the western flank of that, so that's going to be beneficial for us heading into the weekend as we at least get to drop rain chances from 70%, which is where we're stuck at here. Here comes fall, so at least, the timing will be just right. With that low coming in, the rain chances drop to 40%. Manageable stuff here, in the temperatures average for first day of fall in the upper 80s, and then we'll get ready for the big game on Sunday.
Ivan, thank you.